Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your ear pads for the Fostex T50RP. The stock pads are held in place with a lip that stretches around the ear cup, so to remove the stock pads, gently pull on the pad to detach it from the lip and pull it away from the ear cup. Next, grab your new ear pads by Dekoni Audio. Our pads are symmetrical, so don't worry about matching one pad to one side. Start by inserting the lip of the pad into the groove around the ear cup. Then hold it in place with one hand as you gently stretch the rest of the lip around the ear cup. Repeat the process once more for the other side. And you're now ready to enjoy the enhanced listening experience of your new Dekoni Audio earpads.